Oh, what's so heavy that's in my suitcase? Huh? Man, what's going on? Oh, I wonder what I brought back from my trip. What could it be? Oh, it's Jackson! What are you doing in there?
He wants you to do it again.
Alright, let's go.
Do you want out?
No. You want to do it again? Alright, what's going on? Where'd Jackson go? Take him with me on my trip. Alright.
Have fun in Thailand, Jackson.
Oh, roll over, roll over. Watch your arms. Okay. Here we go. Bye bye. Oh, where are we going? Oh, sling him on the air. Take him to the airport. Throw him on the conveyor belt. Oh, what's in my suitcase? What's in here? What's in here? Oh, it's Jackson! What are you doing in there?
Peekaboo! He seriously wants you to just close it up.
I know. What's going on in there? Okay. Bye-bye.
Where's Jackson? Where could he be?
Where'd he go? My suitcase is moving.
Where's Jackson?
Who's in there? What is it? Oh, there he is.